there, future millionaires! If you've been looking for a business idea that can actually make you serious money, you're in the right place. We've got 5 profitable businesses that are killing it in 2025. Stick around till the end because number 1 is a goldmine most people are sleeping on. Number 5, automated dropshipping. Imagine waking up to new sales every morning while your system does the work. And the best part? You can start with as little as a few $100. Number 4, digital products and online courses. Why trade time for money when you can sell knowledge? People are hungry for skills, whether it's learning to code, play an instrument, or master social media marketing. Create an online course or an ebook once, and keep making money from it forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy make it easier than ever to start selling. If you have a skill, monetize it. Number 3, local service-based business. Think cleaning services, mobile car detailing, lawn care. These businesses are booming. Why? Because people hate doing these tasks but love paying someone else to do them. With just a small team and great customer service, you can dominate your local market. Plus, recurring clients mean steady cash flow. And here's a hack. Start with one service, then expand as demand grows. Number 2, YouTube automation faceless channels. You don't need to be on camera to make YouTube money. Faceless channels where you use stock footage, AI-generated voiceovers, and engaging scripts just like this one are pulling in thousands every month. From finance to motivation to tech reviews, there is a niche for everyone. The key, consistency and quality. Monetization comes from ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. If you're serious about passive income, this is a no-brainer. Number 1, AI-powered content creation agency. This one is massive. Businesses need content, videos, blogs, social media posts, but they don't have the time or skill to create it. That's where you come in. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway AI, you can create content fast and charge premium prices. Offer services like script writing, video editing, or even full social media management. The demand is insane, and businesses are willing to pay big money for quality content. And that's a wrap. Which business idea are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let's talk. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making ideas, and check out our other videos. Your future self will thank you.